Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and we're just enjoying the sunshine. You're a good mom, Sugar. See, folks, everybody's outside. Sugar, go see your little girl. Feckles. Wow. She is pregnant for sure. These goats love dried leaves. No, he's not dead, folks. And neither is she. They're just worn out from running and playing and enjoying the sun. Can't show ya because, well, stuff's in the way. But Papa's in the middle of cleaning the barn and mucking it all out. And now that the turkeys are outside, we may put Speckles and Boots in the turkey pen after it's clean, just until they have their babies. And I've been pulling some grass and some weeds, but there's my daffodils. And right there and over there are the daylilies. The wild tiger lilies that Papa transplanted. Those are Nan's favorites. And they're always in bloom for her birthday in July. Daddy's going to have to put the electric fence back up because this is where I'm going to plant my tomatoes. And here are my tomato plants that I started from seed. And I cut the tops. You can see that pot right there. I cut the tops off of some really big ones. And they look a little limp. But I've got a little bit of mulch and it's been 24 hours and they're coming back, so that's a good thing. And these are getting all torn down. And they're only going to be 3 high, and they're going to be in the backyard, which means these 3 will actually turn into 5. And everyone said, oh no, you poked a hole in your pool. Well, that's because we're redoing it. It's a mess, eh? Oh hush, see, my chickens are outside. This is what spring looks like. We had a windstorm yesterday. It was pretty bad last night. What we're going to do is, those stairs, they're not level. So we're taking this liner out and Daddy's going to build a platform underneath the stairs, cover it with the liner folded, and then put a brand new liner over top and then put the stairs down. So much work to do. And those big Christmas lights that I bought this year, I got extra ones this year. I'm going to be doing the same and changing them over to paper lanterns. Yay! Spring is here. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead with your update. Take care. God bless.